Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. We're in Pattaya, we're on Second Road. I've come down, I am checking a couple of bits for you. And here we are on Second Road, opposite Kiss Food and Drinks. That's the edge going up. They've taken down the Diana Inn and Boss Suites. Here, Mike's Mall, whatever you want to call it. They've closed it from the rear entrance. It's being converted into a hotel. Now, whether it's going to have the first, second floors as shopping, but it looks like from there they're going up as well with it. So they're going to be adding floors for the hotel as well. They took away the art street that was down the side, and that's how it's looking at the moment. So let's go in and find out from the front Beach Road entrance, see if we can get in and up and see what's going on. See you around the front entrance. Right, here we are, the front end, Mike's Mall. They have refurbished all the front of it. It's quite impressive. But let's go up and see what's going on. People in the way. I'll see you up there. You don't want to see inside the shopping mall. It's a shopping mall. See you upstairs. We're now on the 4th floor of Mike's shopping mall, and you cannot go any further. They've stopped the lifts from there. You can't go up. You can go up the stairs. It's all blanked off. It says the swimming pool is closed for refurbishment until 2019. But while we're up here quickly, Coco Fitness. This is the gym. See if I can find an entrance. Yeah, it'll be over the other side, wouldn't it? Whether they'll let us in to show you a little bit around, I don't know as yet. They've let us in. Thank you very much. Cop and Cab. This is the gym, 4th floor, Mike's shopping mall. Maybe Mike's shopping mall and hotel. It's being redeveloped into a hotel. I think the shopping mall will stay, the 3 floors, but this is the gym up here. It's quite extensive. I don't normally go into gyms as I tend to break out in muscle aches and spasms. But the views, if you're on these machines, that's the views you'll be looking at while you're doing your workout. So that should give you quite a good bit of inspiration while you're doing your aches and pains. Now, I can't show, there isn't any more to show you. The pool's shut off, it's closed. But little Dickie Bird told me there's been changes in Soy 7. So we're going there now to have a look and show you the changes. But Coco Fitness, 4th floor at Mike's Mall at the moment. Whether it's going to be Mike's Malt End Hotel or Mike's Hotel, we don't know. But it will still be Coco. Cop and Cup. Right, onwards and downwards, and on to Soy 7. See you there. While we're walking down to Soy 7, because I can't afford the 10 baht bus fare, Central Plaza Beach Road runs out into Second Road. That is probably the only shopping mall that doesn't feel threatened by Terminal 21, and rightly so. It is a very good shopping mall and it won't be affected. They will be the two main shopping malls. Mike's Mall, he's a shrewdy, very shrewd. He knows what he's doing. Also, Central Festival, the only shopping mall that's given me or gotten me 2 copyright strikes on music. That's why we're the other side of the road, by the beach, out the way of it. If it gets me a third, I'll buy it, knock it down and build a cheaper hotel. Let's get on to Soy 7. So here we are, Soy 7. And I'll say it's very quiet, and we'll see you 3/4 of the way down. Soy 7, a rear view. Bars are empty. Pandora's is quite busy, but the rest are pretty much empty. Okay, we've made it. We're just along from the Pig and Whistle, Soy 7, and this used to be a beer bar complex in Soy 7. It's been demolished, and they're saying, the rumours, there's nothing up. It's going to be another hotel at Flipper House 2. So is this the way it's starting to go? They're going to be demolishing beer bar complexes to build new hotels, build new anything, get rid of the beer bar complexes. Let's go to somewhere else and have a quick look. Here we are, top end, Second Road. Bit busy, I think he's got that wrong. This will be the new hotel, Terminal 21. Very nice, very posh, possibly 5-star. But next door, see if I can get through this rubbish. And not get hit by that. I've had a spot of rain. I missed it up here. It didn't rain down the other end. So, next door to this very large, posh, probably multi-billion bar hotel is Drinking Street. Quiet, but another beer bar complex Are they going to have problems being here with the hotel, 5-star? Will these be the next beer bar complex shut down and demolished? Pattaya is making a lot of changes. For the good or the bad, I don't suppose we'll ever know. But I'm on it. I'll show you as it goes, and we'll see what's going to be happening towards the future. Anyway, Kev-In-Thailand, running about like a blue arse fly, so you don't have to. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe not. Who knows? But there are changes happening all over Pattaya. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, a like and a share. Subscribe. Nah, you ain't got to. But why not? Go on. Go on. Don't be monkey. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Good night.